Let me start our tutorial with a quick question. Who are you talking to? Or, whom are you talking to? Which one is correct? If you're confused, you're not alone. Let's learn when to use who and when to use whom. Who and whom are both pronouns. They are used to ask questions or to connect parts of a sentence. The difference is in how they function. Who is used as a subject. We use who when it is the subject of the verb. That means who is doing the action. Let's look at some examples. Who called me last night? Who is going to the party? Do you know who made this cake? In each sentence, who is doing something, some action, like called, is going, made. Now, whom is used as an object. We use whom when it is the object of the verb or a preposition. That means the action is being done to whom. Examples: whom did you call? To whom were you speaking? Whom should I invite to the wedding? In all of these, whom is not doing the action, it's receiving the action. Let's get to the part where many people get confused, deciding whether to use who or whom in a sentence. Don't worry. I'm going to give you a super simple trick that works almost every time. When you're not sure whether to use who or whom, do this simple test. If you can answer the question using he or she, then use who. If you can answer it using him or her, then use whom. Why does this work? Because he and she are subject pronouns, just like who. And him and her are object pronouns, just like whom. I'll give you a sentence and we'll test it together. We are trying to figure out if it should be who or whom. Now, let's test it by answering the question. Try saying, he called the police. Does that sound right? Yes, it does. So, since he fits, we use who in the question. Correct sentence: who called the police? Next try. Who or whom did the police call? The police called he is not sounding correct. The police called him is correct. So, the right question is, whom did the police call? It is an easy trick. Let's practice with a few more examples. Who or whom wrote this letter? He wrote it. So, who is correct option? Who wrote this letter? Who or whom are you texting? I'm texting her. So, whom are you texting? Is right sentence. Who or whom was chosen as the team leader? He was chosen. So, who was chosen as the team leader? Is correct sentence. Who or whom do you admire most? I admire him. So, whom do you admire most? Who or whom knows the answer? She knows it. So, who knows the answer? Let's wrap it up. Use who as the subject when the one doing the action. Use whom as the object when the one receiving the action. When you're not sure, replace the blank with he or she or him or her and you'll have your answer. So next time you're writing or speaking and you wonder, should I use who or whom? Just remember this lesson from Purple Pie. We've added 5 practice questions at the end of this video. And there's a separate quiz video on the correct usage of who versus whom. You can find the link in the description. Thanks for learning with Purple Pie. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.